If you're a vice president of business development, you know the demands of navigating complex strategies, managing relationships, and ensuring growth every single day. Imagine harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your daily tasks, refine your strategies, and unlock new potential in your organization. This course is designed to demystify AI with practical insights, giving you a straightforward guide to using technology in your decision-making, from market analysis to customer segmentation and beyond. Rather than getting lost in theoretical concepts, you'll dive right into actionable lessons, learning how to integrate AI into your strategic planning, automate repetitive processes, and generate powerful market insights. Reclaim all those hours spent on manual tasks by letting AI handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on leadership and innovation. As you progress through the course, you'll see how AI can pinpoint opportunities in your market, optimize your sales processes, and improve overall efficiency. Beyond the video tutorials and interactive guides, you'll gain access to an extensive resource library, including AI prompt collections, eBooks, audiobooks, and toolkits that are continually updated. This isn't just about gaining knowledge, it's about securing a future-proof position. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Invest in yourself now and take tangible steps toward a more secure and rewarding career in business development. You can find all AI for Vice Presidents of Business Development training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.